Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Fashion Nova gift card. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go in the Fashion Nova app to apply your gift card at checkout, along with helpful tips to make sure it works the first time. Start by opening the Fashion Nova app on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet, and if prompted, sign into your account so your bag and checkout details save properly. From the home screen, browse the collection or use the search bar to find an item you'd like to purchase. You can filter by size, color, and category to quickly narrow things down. When you see something you like, tap the item to open its product page. Take a moment to review the photos, price, available sizes, and any notes about fit or fabric. If the item has options like size or color, select the ones you want so the app can add the correct variant to your bag. Next, tap Add to Bag. You should see a confirmation that the item was added. If a size or color is missing, the app will usually prompt you to choose before it proceeds. Now tap View Bag to open your shopping bag. Here, double-check the item details, quantity, and subtotal. If you need to remove something or adjust the quantity, you can do it on this screen. When everything looks good, proceed by selecting Checkout. On the checkout screen, you'll see your order summary and the sections for shipping, payment, and promos. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to find the area where discounts and gift cards are applied. Look for the option that says Add Discount or something similar. Tap that option to open the entry field. Carefully type your gift card code exactly as it appears. Avoid extra spaces, and if the code includes dashes, you can usually enter it with or without them. Just stay consistent. Then select Apply. Give the app a moment to validate the code. Once applied, you should see the order total update. If your gift card balance covers the full amount, your total may drop to zero. If there's a remaining balance, you'll be prompted to pay the difference with another payment method. Some checkouts allow multiple gift cards. If available, repeat the same action to add another. If the code isn't accepted, double-check for typos, confirm the card has balance, and ensure you're shopping in the correct region. If it still doesn't work, reach out to customer support for help. That's it. Your Fashion Nova gift card is now applied, and you're ready to place your order.